Most contractors are suffocating under a barrage of marketing noise, endless flashing ads and agencies promising a flood of magic leads. Yet, despite the noise and the spending, the dispatch board stays painfully quiet. It is an exhausting cycle, pouring hard-earned revenue into marketing hype, only to be left with expensive leads and empty schedules. The real threat isn't the external market. It is what is failing quietly on the inside. Outdated websites that drive customers away, and weak Google profiles that make your business look like a gamble to anyone who finds you. Every dollar spent trying to grow is bleeding through these broken digital foundations, driving up the cost of every single job you manage to book. And the penalty for those leaks is compounding right this second. Your next ideal customer is holding their phone, searching for a pro. But because your presence doesn't look the part, they are calling the competition. You simply cannot outspend this marketing problem. It's time to discard the fake guru nonsense, the vanity metrics, and the empty promises that flood the industry. In a crowded market, winning isn't just about being found. It is about engineering a digital presence that makes a customer trust you enough to book on the spot. Building that level of trust requires a different kind of blueprint. It requires physical, boots-on-the-ground trade experience to strip away the theoretical marketing fluff. I am Boushy, and I've merged the grit of the trades with elite search strategies and automated AI systems to build growth blueprints that actually work. That means locking down your Google Maps rankings, structuring service pages that sell, and deploying systems to capture leads automatically. Without this specific infrastructure in place, a contractor is essentially throwing their entire marketing budget into a black hole. But you can stop the leaks. This channel is a dedicated sanctuary for home service businesses, a place built entirely on practical fixes, real systems, and zero fluff. Learn how to command local search rankings to capture immediate demand. Build service pages that automatically convert skeptical visitors into scheduled jobs, and use AI to silently process new leads while you are out on a job site. You now know exactly what is leaking and why you are losing jobs to the competition, but the specific blueprints to fix it are waiting inside. Subscribe to the channel to access the proven systems required to finally get found, get chosen, and get booked.